Hello all from the interweb. My video channel has just had stuff on it from here and there. Just anything. I made up a redneck nighttime song for my granddaughter and posted it on there. So that's there. I'm recording this as an intro, but also to learn the programs for editing and all that. Gonna be a long learning curve. Um, Build bikes, trucks, cars. Been doing it as long as I can remember. Have a traumatic brain injury, which makes me not like people. I have severe PTSD and I don't like people. But I'm putting myself out there to like people. Or people like me. And I don't have to converse with them. You really have to get to know me to understand me. So, with that being said, I will be building a 1957 Chevy Crew Cab. I'm doing it for the Ratrod build off with Psycho Saloon for September 21st. And since the 25th is my birthday, that's going to be my birthday presents going there. Um, yeah, it's going to be fun. And a lot of my work isn't going to be up to your standards. But for all you people that buy cars that are done or pay a shop to have cars are done, I feel bad for you, man. Get them hands dirty. Get them wrenched up.